Upscale, no controlling in the chain. LoRa stacked on LoRa, driving me insane. Save image at the end of every single flow. Red wire means broken, fix it, let it go. Nodes connected, workflow clean. Best AI pipeline you ever seen. ComfyUI, yeah, we building art, one node at a time, right from the start.
Welcome back. What you just watched was a short clip from a tribute song I created for ComfyUI creators. The music was generated with ASTEP 1.5, while the visuals were created using LTX Director 2.0. I won't be covering how to install ComfyUI, LTX Director, or ASTEP in this video, since I've already explained that in previous tutorials on my channel. LTX Director is an amazing tool that makes it easy to create highly consistent videos using multiple reference images. In many ways, it's similar to Seedance 2 reference to video. It also features an intuitive drag-and-drop timeline for keyframes, along with many built-in tools that make video editing much easier. To make the workflow run on a GPU with only 8GB of VRAM, I modified the original workflow by replacing the standard diffusion model loader with a unit loader running a GGUF lightweight model. Next, I added a power LoRa loader. The distill LoRa helps the model produce high-quality results even with a low number of sampling steps, making generation much faster. The Omni NFT LoRa enhances motion consistency, lip-sync accuracy, and overall audio-video alignment for more realistic video generation. Transition LoRas create smooth scene changes, while the MV camera LoRa adds more expressive facial animations and natural performance. As you can see on the screen, these LoRas make a significant difference in the final result. I divided the song into 8 separate sections. Starting with the lyrics and a single source image, I used free AI image generation tools such as Flux Edit, Crea, GPT, and Gemini to create 8 reference images that serve as keyframes. I finished this project rather quickly, so you may notice that some background details aren't perfectly consistent. Fortunately, the main character remains stable throughout the video. To generate the first 30 seconds, I simply dragged and dropped 4 keyframe images into LTX Director and generated the entire sequence with a single click. Even many paid AI video models today still can't generate clips this long in one pass. I carefully adjusted the timing of each keyframe so the visual transitions match the rhythm and lyrics of the song. At the end of the first 30-second segment, I left a 0.3-second overlap and used the 5th image as the opening keyframe for the next segment. This creates a seamless transition when the 2 generated videos are combined. To create the performance video, I used an LLM, such as Gemma, Qwen 3, or GPT, to write a single comprehensive prompt, describes the performance based on the reference image and the song lyrics, pasted it into the global prompt field in LTX Director. After checking the settings and output resolution, I click Run. While the workflow is running, I monitor the live preview to decide whether to continue or make adjustments. Once everything looks good, I simply wait a few minutes for the final result, just like the one you see on the screen.
Open up the canvas, blank slate on my screen. Drag a checkpoint loader, you know what I mean. Case sampler in the middle, B on the right. Good text and code, yeah, building tonight. Connect the nodes, run the queue. Watch the light and flow right through. Green dot to green dot, link it up. Positive prompt in my cup.
I repeated the same process for each section of the song, then used a simple video editor like CapCut to stitch all the generated clips together. The final video quality depends heavily on the quality of your keyframe images, so take your time and make those as good as possible. I hope this tutorial gives you some useful ideas for your own projects. Had fun creating, don't forget to support the channel, and let's watch the full tribute song together one more time.
Open up the canvas, blank slate on my screen. Drag a checkpoint loader, you know what I mean. Case sampler in the middle, B on the right. Good text and code, yeah, building tonight. the green dot, link it up. Positive prompt in my cup. Empty light and image, set the width and height. Plug it to the sampler, get the settings right. See it just 7 steps of 22. Hit the Q prompt button, render coming through. Upscale, no controlling in the chain. LoRa stacked on LoRa, driving me insane. Save image at the end of every single flow. Red wire means broken, fix it, let it go. Nodes connected, workflow clean. Best AI pipeline you ever seen. ComfyUI, yeah, we building art, one node at a time, right from the start.